Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso with Integral here, sharing another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Facebook Watch. Doing Facebook videos are pretty simple for me because all I have to do is open up Facebook. So I love when I get to showcase a tech tip featuring Facebook. Facebook Watch is a new button and a new platform that is on Facebook. Think of it as another YouTube. Do we need another YouTube? I don't think so. But then again, who can get enough video? I know I can spend hours watching video, but then I'm always pulled away from some tech emergency helping somebody out of some technology crisis. We're going to switch screens here, take a look at Facebook Watch, and see how it can give you more video content. We're going to switch screens like we always do, and we're going to go to Facebook Watch. There's Facebook Watch. Now, how do you find Watch? It's pretty simple. Unfortunately, I've got to go to my home screen, but as you can see, there I am showing Facebook Watch on Facebook, which is pretty funny. So there's my live video. But anyway, if you go over here to the left-hand side of the screen, you can click on Watch, and then it will take you to Facebook Watch. After a few seconds, it'll show you different content that you can see on Facebook Watch. As you can see, there's local favorite Tech 9 on a Facebook Watch video. But just think of it as live shows that are created by specific YouTube users. Kind of to give you an example of Facebook Watch, there's two channels that I'm following. There's Peg Fitzpatrick, who has her own Facebook Live, or not Facebook Live, Facebook Watch show. And then the other one that I'm a part of is Mommy Talk. And as you can see here, if you click on both shows, you can see all the shows that are featured on Mommy Talk Live. Now, Mommy Talk Live is a show that airs, or that shows different people talking about subjects that deal with motherhood and parenting. As you can see, there's one of my Facebook Live videos, or Mommy Talk Live videos. I'm a part of that channel, and there's yours truly right there streaming. But on Peg Fitzpatrick's channel, you can go back and there's just various topics on business life and how to improve your business. But there's more shows. You can click on watch the latest episodes, and just think of it as TV for your computer and TV for your Facebook. But there's tons of videos there. You can save videos. You can watch the latest episodes. You can see the suggested shows that Facebook Watch has on there. So you've got all sorts of channels that you can see on Facebook Watch. So if you click on a channel, you can see a preview of the different shows, and then you can see all the different episodes in one place. You can visit the page for, say, for example, Insignificant Mysteries. You can choose to follow it, and then there's more features. You can also scroll down the list and find other shows on the Facebook Watch channel. There's Oh Baby, which I have no clue what it is, but there you go, another show that you can click on, and it kind of gives you an idea of what each episode is about. And the great thing about it, like YouTube, you can see exactly how long each show is going to be, so you can kind of customize that and cater it to your video watching capabilities. It's another channel by CNN called Love Story. Different love stories that they have that CNN is starting to post on Facebook. And then finally, let's take a look at Byron's Kitchen. Yummy, yummy, Byron's Kitchen. You can tell a number of followers. I can choose to follow it, and I can look at Byron's Kitchen and see different videos on different cooking tips. So if you're looking for something new to watch on your computer, consider looking at Facebook Watch. There's a lot of videos there, more TV content on there, and they're a little bit more organized than, say, YouTube is. So I would highly recommend that you check out Facebook Watch. And I have to give a shout out to Mommy Talk Live, because yours truly is on that channel. So if you're a mom and you want to check out some great video check out Mommy Talk. I think you'll enjoy that channel, and you'll get to see tech tips by yours truly. So, as always, I hope you've enjoyed this tech tip. Leave your comments and questions below if there's any other tech tips that you would like to see in future videos. Speaking of videos, be sure to subscribe to either Integral on YouTube or myself, Burton Kelso, on YouTube to watch hundreds of other tech tip videos that are designed to help you get more from the technology that you use. Same goes for social media. Be sure to follow us on social media. We've got a lot of videos there that are designed to help you get more from the technology that you use. So, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.